So today we're making fried potatoes, and we need 2 cloves of garlic, a quarter of an onion chopped, and 2 cherry peppers chopped. So we peeled 4. We're going to use one with the skin. We just cut it in half, and then we're cutting little slices like this. You have 4 tablespoons of oil. We wash the potatoes, we're going to add them. Teaspoon of salt. We're going to cover it and let it fry for a little bit. We've been cooking it for 20 minutes, and this is how it looks. It's all done. This is really, really good.